Property and Casualty Written Exam Practice Test. Question 1. For a practice question, a policy change is added to modify coverage. What is this called in review item 98? Option A, coinsurance. Option B, subrogation. Option C, arbitration. Option D, endorsement. The correct answer is option. An endorsement amends the policy by adding, changing, or removing coverage terms. Subrogation is wrong because subrogation is recovery from a responsible party. Coinsurance is wrong because coinsurance is a sharing requirement. Arbitration is wrong because arbitration is a dispute resolution process. Question 2. On a revision question, a covered fire makes an apartment unlivable and the insured pays for a hotel. What type of loss is the hotel cost? Option A, direct loss to building. Option B, indirect loss. Option C, pure risk only. Option D, moral hazard. The correct answer is option. Hotel expense is a consequential or indirect loss from the covered property damage. Direct loss to building is wrong because direct building loss is the damaged structure itself. Moral hazard is wrong because moral hazard involves intentional wrongdoing. Pure risk only is wrong because pure risk is a category of risk, not the expense type. Question 3. On a revision question, a 5-year-old roof is damaged and payment subtracts depreciation. Which valuation method is used? Option A, stated amount only. Option B, the agreed value. Option C, the actual cash value. Option D, replacement cost without deduction. The correct answer is option. Actual cash value generally reflects replacement cost minus depreciation. Replacement cost without deduction is wrong because replacement cost pays without depreciation subject to policy terms. Agreed value is wrong because agreed value uses a value agreed in advance. Stated amount only is wrong because stated amount is not the same as depreciation-based ACV. Question 4. During a claims discussion, which term means the cause of loss? Option A, hazard. Option B, deductible. Option C, premium. Option D, peril. The correct answer is option. A peril is the cause of loss, such as fire or wind. Hazard is wrong because a hazard increases the chance or severity of loss. Premium is wrong because premium is the policy cost. Deductible is wrong because deductible is the insured's retained amount. Question 5. When explaining coverage, a condominium unit owner needs coverage for interior property and personal liability. Which form is typical? Option A, HO6. Option B, workers' compensation policy. Option C, commercial package policy only. Option D, HO4. The correct answer is option. HO6 is designed for condominium unit owners. HO4 is wrong because HO4 is for renters. Commercial package policy only is wrong because commercial package policies are for businesses. Workers' compensation policy is wrong because workers' compensation covers employee work injuries. Question 6. While checking exclusions, a business uses symbol 1 on a business auto policy. What does it generally mean in review item 67? Option A, hired autos only. Option B, non-owned autos only. Option C, any auto. Option D, owned autos only. The correct answer is option. Symbol 1 is the broad any auto designation in business auto coverage. Owned autos only is wrong because owned autos only are narrower symbols. Hired autos only is wrong because hired autos only are specifically hired or borrowed autos. Non-owned autos only is wrong because non-owned autos are autos not owned by the business. Question 7. Flood damage is usually handled how under standard homeowners policies? Option A, always covered without limits. Option B, paid by medical payments coverage. Option C, excluded and often insured separately. Option D, covered only under coverage F. The correct answer is option. Standard homeowners policies usually exclude flood, which is commonly insured separately through flood coverage. Always covered without limits is wrong because it is not always covered without limits. Covered only under coverage F is wrong because coverage F is medical payments to others. Paid by medical payments coverage is wrong because medical payments does not cover property flood damage. Question 8. On a revision question, a loss directly caused by fire damages a wall. What type of loss is wall damage? Option A, speculative loss. Option B, moral hazard. Option C, indirect loss. Option D, direct loss. The correct answer is option. Physical damage to the wall from fire is a direct loss. Indirect loss is wrong because indirect loss is a resulting loss such as lost rental income. Speculative loss is wrong because speculative loss includes chance of gain. Moral hazard is wrong because moral hazard involves dishonesty. Question 9. A driver is hit by an at-fault driver with no insurance. Which coverage may apply in review item 54? Option A, uninsured motorist coverage. Option B, homeowners coverage. C. Option C, workers' compensation for all drivers. Option D, collision only for injuries. The correct answer is option. Uninsured motorist coverage protects insureds injured by drivers without required insurance. Collision only for injuries is wrong because collision covers vehicle damage but not bodily injury in the same way. Homeowners coverage C is wrong because homeowners contents coverage is unrelated. Workers' compensation for all drivers is wrong because workers' compensation applies to work-related employee injuries. Question 10. While studying insurance basics, a contractor is building a structure and needs coverage while construction is underway. Which coverage fits? Option A, HO for renters. Option B, medical payments to others only. Option C, personal auto liability. Option D, builder's risk. The correct answer is option. Builder's risk covers buildings or structures during construction subject to policy terms. Personal auto liability is wrong because personal auto liability is for vehicle liability. HO for renters is wrong because HO for is for tenants. Medical payments to others only is wrong because medical payments to others does not insure construction property. Question 11. On a revision question, a CGL policy coverage B addresses which exposure? Option A, flood damage to stock. Option B, employee payroll benefits. Option C, dwelling replacement cost. Option D, personal and advertising injury. The correct answer is option. Coverage B covers personal and advertising injury offenses such as libel or certain advertising injuries. Dwelling replacement cost is wrong because dwelling replacement cost is homeowners property coverage. Employee payroll benefits is wrong because payroll benefits are not CGL coverage B. Flood damage to stock is wrong because flood damage to stock is property coverage issue. Question 12. In a risk management example, an insurance policy aims to restore the insured to the financial position held before the loss. What principle is this? Option A, concealment. Option B, warranty only. Option C, indemnity. Option D, speculation. The correct answer is option. Indemnity means insurance should compensate for covered loss without creating profit. Speculation is wrong because speculation involves a chance of gain or loss. Warranty only is wrong because a warranty is a policy statement or promise. Concealment is wrong because concealment is withholding material information. Question 13. When comparing policy terms, a producer offers part of the commission to persuade a customer to buy a policy when not allowed by law. What unfair practice is this? Option A, subrogation. Option B, rebating. Option C, coinsurance. Option D, appraisal. The correct answer is option. Rebating is giving an unlawful inducement not specified in the policy. Subrogation is wrong because subrogation is recovery from responsible parties. Coinsurance is wrong because coinsurance is a policy condition. Appraisal is wrong because appraisal resolves value disputes. Question 14. For a practice question, a producer offers part of the commission to persuade a customer to buy a policy when not allowed by law. What unfair practice is this? Option A, rebating. Option B, subrogation. Option C, coinsurance. Option D, appraisal. The correct answer is option. Rebating is giving an unlawful inducement not specified in the policy. Subrogation is wrong because subrogation is recovery from responsible parties. Coinsurance is wrong because coinsurance is a policy condition. Appraisal is wrong because appraisal resolves value disputes. Question 15. On a property and casualty item, a temporary insurance agreement is issued before the policy is delivered. What is it called? Option A, endorsement. Option B, deductible. Option C, exclusion. Option D, binder. The correct answer is option. A binder provides temporary coverage until the policy is issued or declined. Endorsement is wrong because an endorsement changes policy terms. Exclusion is wrong because an exclusion removes coverage. Deductible is wrong because a deductible is the insured's share of a covered loss. Question 16. During a claims discussion, a non-admitted insurer provides coverage unavailable in the standard market. Which market is involved? Option A, personal auto no fault only. Option B, Medicare supplement only. Option C, surplus lines. Option D, a workers' compensation assigned risk only. The correct answer is option. Surplus lines insurance uses eligible non-admitted insurers for risks not placed in the admitted market. Medicare supplement only is wrong because Medicare supplement is health insurance. Workers' compensation assigned risk only is wrong because assigned risk is a different mechanism. Personal auto no fault only is wrong because no fault is an auto injury system. Question 17. On a property and casualty item, an insurer pays a claim and then seeks recovery from the negligent party. What right is being used? Option A, concealment. Option B, twisting. Option C, rebating. Option D is subrogation. The correct answer is option. Subrogation allows the insurer to recover from a responsible third party after paying the insured. Concealment is wrong because concealment is hiding material facts. Rebating is wrong because rebating is an improper inducement in many states. Twisting is wrong because twisting is misleading replacement of coverage. Question 18. While reviewing a policy, which policy page usually lists the insured, limits, premium, and covered property? Option A, declarations page. Option B, exclusions page only. Option C, a marketing brochure. Option D, glossary only. The correct answer is option. The declarations page summarizes key policy-specific information. Exclusions page only is wrong because exclusions list what is not covered rather than all key facts. Glossary only is wrong because a glossary defines terms. Marketing brochure is wrong because a brochure is not the policy contract. Question 19. For a practice question, which term means the cause of loss? Option A, peril. Option B, hazard. Option C, premium. Option D, deductible. The correct answer is option. A peril is the cause of loss, such as fire or wind. Hazard is wrong because a hazard increases the chance or severity of loss. Premium is wrong because premium is the policy cost. Deductible is wrong because deductible is the insured's retained amount. Question 20. When advising a policyholder, an insured injures another driver in an at-fault accident. Which coverage responds? Option A, bodily injury liability. Option B, comprehensive. Option C, collision. Option D, towing only. The correct answer is option. Bodily injury liability covers injury claims made by others when the insured is legally responsible. Collision is wrong because collision covers the insured vehicle damage. Comprehensive is wrong because comprehensive covers non-collision damage to the insured vehicle. Towing only is wrong because towing does not pay injury liability claims. Question 21. When advising a policyholder, which homeowners coverage applies to the dwelling itself? Option A, coverage E. Option B, coverage A. Option C, coverage F. Option D, coverage C. The correct answer is option. Coverage A generally covers the dwelling. Coverage C is wrong because coverage C covers personal property. Coverage E is wrong because coverage E covers personal liability. Coverage F is wrong because coverage F covers medical payments to others. Question 22. When comparing policy terms, a building is insured for less than the required percentage of its value and a partial loss occurs. Which clause may reduce payment? Option A, liberalization clause. Option B, pair and set clause only. Option C, no benefit to Bailey clause. Option D, coinsurance clause. The correct answer is option. Coinsurance encourages adequate insurance to value and can penalize underinsurance. Liberalization clause is wrong because liberalization broadens coverage after policy improvements. Pair and set clause only is wrong because pair and set deals with partial loss to matched items. No benefit to Bailey clause is wrong because no benefit to Bailey prevents Baileys from benefiting from the policy. Question 23. While checking exclusions, a claims-made liability policy has a retroactive date. What does it do in review item 78? Option A, limits coverage for incidents before that date. Option B, cancels the policy automatically every month. Option C, guarantees unlimited limits. Option D, removes the need to report claims. The correct answer is option. A retroactive date bars coverage for events before that date even if reported later. Cancels the policy automatically every month is wrong because it is not automatic monthly cancellation. Removes the need to report claims is wrong because claims must still be reported under policy rules. Guarantees unlimited limits is wrong because limits are still finite. Question 24. While studying insurance basics, a business property policy covers lost income after a covered fire shuts operations down. What coverage is this? Option A, business income coverage. Option B, collision coverage. Option C, coverage F. Option D, uninsured motorist coverage. The correct answer is option. Business income coverage pays for loss of income from covered suspension of operations. Collision coverage is wrong because collision is auto coverage. Coverage F is wrong because coverage F is homeowners' medical payments. Uninsured motorist coverage is wrong because uninsured motorist is auto injury coverage. Question 25. When explaining coverage, a temporary insurance agreement is issued before the policy is delivered. What is it called? Option A, exclusion. Option B, binder. Option C, deductible. Option D, endorsement. The correct answer is option. A binder provides temporary coverage until the policy is issued or declined. Endorsement is wrong because an endorsement changes policy terms. Exclusion is wrong because an exclusion removes coverage. Deductible is wrong because a deductible is the insured's share of a covered loss.